Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer photos from iPhone to PC with iTunes, beginner guide step by step clearly. Connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. Unlock your iPhone and, if prompted, tap Trust to allow the computer to access your device. On your PC, open iTunes. If you don't have iTunes installed, download it from Apple's website. Once iTunes is open, locate your device icon in the upper left corner of the window. Click on the device icon to select your iPhone. In the left sidebar, scroll down and select Photos. Check the box next to Sync Photos. Now, choose the folder from which you want to import photos. You can select pictures or a specific folder you have created. Decide if you want to sync all photos or selected albums. To sync selected albums, check the box next to the desired albums. After making your selections, click Apply at the bottom right corner of the window. iTunes will begin transferring your chosen photos to your PC. Wait for the transfer process to complete. Once finished, you can disconnect your iPhone. Navigate to the designated photo folder on your PC to view the transferred photos. Make sure to check the folder to confirm all desired photos have been successfully imported. You have now successfully transferred photos from your iPhone to your PC using iTunes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.